Starting the financial journey is not an easy thing, and we have discovered that a lot of people are not eager to start it because it's a decision that you have to make. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to start and plan your goals that will take you to that financial freedom journey. We're going to be looking at 5 different W's that will lead you and guide you also to your financial independence journey. Welcome and welcome to my channel, Life Planting, where I talk about creating wealth online in order to take you to your destination. Now, the first thing we're going to be looking at is, at what age are you going to retire? I mean, how old will you be by the time you reach your financial independence? Yes, a lot of time people don't consider that before starting their journey, but it's very, very important that you look at how old you will be when you get to your financial destination. Now, how old are you presently? Are you 25? Are you 35, 45, or 50? Yes, it's very possible to start your financial freedom journey at the age of 50. Now, if you are 25 and you say to yourself, by the age of 50, I would like to reach my financial independence, there are conditions. I mean, there are things that you have to do that will get you to that level. Now, number one thing is, what are your incomes at the moment? I mean, how much money comes to your account every month, right? Yes, that will be a determining factor. I mean, or how much income you gain from your commission or from your business. I mean, how much money comes to you at the end of the month, let's say that. Okay, and then what are your expenses for the month, right? Let's say that at the end of the month, your salary is 100,000, okay? So out of that 100,000, how much do you use for your expenses? We know that everybody, especially if you're an adult, you have expenses. So how much money do you pay as your rent, or if you are the owner of your house, your maintenance for the month? How much does it cost you, right? How much do you use for your feeding? I mean, how much do you use to fuel your car when going to your work or to your shop or to your business location, right? How much do you use to pay for your house gadgets that you have, I mean, to service them, things like cable and some other things? So you look at how much your expenses are. So out of that, your 100,000, let's say you use 70,000 to take care of your expenses for the month, right? Now you are left with 30,000, right? Out of that 30,000, you say, okay, I'm going to be saving 30,000 every month. Fine. So 30,000 times 12 months, how much will you arrive at? 360. Now you have 360 every year as your savings. Now you're going to invest that amount of money, right? So, but if you invest that amount of money for the next 25 years, how much will you arrive at? Let's take, for example, for an instant, at the end of that 25 years, you arrive at 9 million. Good. So you have 9 million as your savings and from your investment. Okay, so let's assume that at 25 years you have additional 25 years. At 50 years you have that 9 million for an instant. Okay, you tell yourself, okay, when I get to that destination, I know that I've arrived at my financial independence. Yes, so your determining factor to getting to that your financial independent age is the amount of money you invest or the amount of money you have as savings in your account. Now, number 2,